In this video, we are going to explain how to use GCeasy Web version. From the yCrash Cool Tools page, click on the Start button below the GCeasy Web version. Choose the garbage collection log file which you want to analyze and click on Analyze button. Machine learning algorithms will be applied and you will get the intuitive garbage collection log analysis report in seconds. You can see the report from yCrash calendar dashboard as well. When you click on the particular date, it will show all the incidents reported on that day. If you click on that, it will redirect you to the root cause analysis report page where you can find the issues in your application. When you click on GC report icon from left side navigation bar, the same report will be opened. Thank you for watching this video and follow us for more updates.